Hi, I'm Tarika Singh, welcoming you to Get Curried, where today we're going to make a super simple, easy 4-ingredient Nutella hot chocolate. With this recipe for Nutella hot chocolate, you will realize that we can make a nice, thick, creamy hot chocolate at home without the cream. That's right, this is going to be so comforting and perfect for winter. So the first thing we're going to start with is a cup of milk. Now I'm going to use regular milk for this recipe, but of course you can use any milk of your choice. Almond milk, soy milk, they're all great in this recipe. It's a very universal sort of a recipe. I'm going to add a cup of milk to this pan. And what we're looking for is for it to come to a gentle simmer. Just when you see little bubbles starting to form, that's when we're ready for the next step. The milk has started to steam and it's simmering, which is the perfect time to take it off the heat. I'm going to switch off the heat and add my first ingredient for the hot chocolate, which is of course cocoa powder. We're going to need 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. And of course, since this is Nutella hot chocolate, we need a giant heaping tablespoon of Nutella. Now don't use a measurement tablespoon, go with your regular tablespoon and just heap it on. Remember how I said this is a 4-ingredient Nutella hot chocolate? Now my 4th ingredient is going to add a lot of natural sweetness to this. That's right, there's no sugar in this recipe. All the sugar comes from Nutella, which is anyways packed with sugar. So I'm going to add a tiny pinch of cinnamon powder to this, which will bring out the natural sweetness in this recipe. Just a tiny pinch, that's it. Now you want to put this back on a very low and gentle heat and just continuously keep stirring it till the ingredients have dissolved completely and the flavors really come together. Keep stirring this till it starts steaming, and of course your neighbors come ring your doorbell and ask you what it is that you're making. No, I'm kidding. It smells divine in here. It's steaming, the color has changed, it's become nice and chocolatey, and it's time to just take it off the heat. Now this is totally optional, but you can always add a couple of marshmallows on top of your hot chocolate. But do this while the hot chocolate is still warm so that they melt into the hot chocolate. For more such easy, hearty, yummy recipes, subscribe to Get Curried, like this video, share it with your friends, and come back here for more such recipes.